What's up friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert video to audio for free with WonderFox free HD video converter factory. And on my screen here guys, you can see that I'm on my browser here, and all you have to do to get this application really is to open up your browser and type in WonderFox free HD video converter. And once you search that, you'll find the official website. You can head over to that website here, WonderFox. Then you want to click on download on the upper right hand side and scroll down, and you will find under the popular free download section you'll have the free HD video converter factory. Once you click on that, you'll be taken over to this page here where you can simply click and download it. It's available, or let's say it's compatible with all versions of Windows here, as you can see, so you can quickly download that on your Windows PC. Once you download and install that application guys, you will open it just like that. Super easy, it's a free application. They also have a pro version, but the free one works just as good. Now once you're inside, just simply go to convert, and you want to click the plus here in the middle, or on the upper left hand side you can add files. Once you go ahead and add your video file, let me go ahead and open up a video file here. You will see, as you can see right here, it's shown MP3, which is an audio file on the right hand side, but by default it doesn't show that. And so what you will see most likely is that it will maybe show you a video format, something like MP4 or whatever it is. It might look something like that. But in order to get the audio file, you want to ensure that you switch the output, right? So you'll change the output format on the upper right hand side, click on audio, and here you have a ton of different audio file format that you can basically get, right? So in this case, let's say I want to get the MP3 or I want to get the wave. I can select whichever, select that option, and then from here you just need to click on run. I want to mention that before you do so, change the output location if you don't want it to have the default one, because it's going to have a default output. So if you want to change it, you can click this little drop down arrow on the bottom here and just put it wherever you want on your PC. In my case, I put it to downloads folder, then click on OK, and just simply click on run. And once you click on run, it will basically start with the conversion process. As you can see, it's converting right there, and you'll get a pop-up here, but don't worry about that guys. You can just go to wherever you have the download location, and you will see it converts for me in an MP3 file format, the entire video. And that's it. Very easy and very simple guys.